Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Libra. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Libra sa mundo. So, kung hindi ko makuha yung energy mo, okay lang yon. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. Okay? Let's start the reading. If you want to book a personal reading, sa ngayon, kay Jing Tarot Reader muna kayo magpabook. Ako, hindi pa ako mag-open ng booking sa personal reading. But yeah, let's start. This is for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Shuffle ko lang yung cards, guys. Medyo luma tong ginamit kong cards ngayon. I just feel like ito yung gusto kong gamitin. So, pagpasensyahan mo na medyo mabagal yung pag-shuffle ko kasi medyo mahirap na siyang i-shuffle. Anyway, sana mag-comment kayo ha. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung comment. Sobrang natutuwa ako sa mga nagko-comment kasi nagpapakita yun ng malaking suporta sa akin. Wait lang, guys. Okay, I'm back. Let's start. Anong meron sa mga Libra? Hopefully makuha ko yung energy mo ha. Pag hindi, huwag ipilit. Okay lang naman yun. Six of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, what's with the Six of Pentacles? Nagpakita sa akin yung sign mo, Libra. This is the Justice card. This is Libra. Libra card. Check mo yung ibang placement mo ha. Ten of Cups. Ay, nakakita tayo na pagtutulungan dito pagdating sa family. Like, you could be helping or nandito yung kabukalan ng puso mo na po tumulong ngayon pagdating with regards to your family, with regards to your home. And then, ganun din naman yung pamilya mo ngayon sa'yo. If you want to, like, if you need help, no? Your family is there for you. And then, ganun ka din naman sa kanila. Sadya naman talagang matulungin kang tao. It's just that, with regards sa mga pagbabago, no, na nangyayari sa buhay mo, sila yung tipo ng tao na parang, well, good or bad, na pagbabago sa buhay mo, transformation, nandito kami. Okay? You don't need to worry. Hindi mo kailangan malungkot or kung ano man yung kinakaharap mo, na feeling mo mag-isa ka, whatsoever, hindi ka mag-isa, nandito kami. So, whatever changes, yung iba kasi plano eh. So, if you do have plano, just tell these people about your plan. And the Seven of Wands, they are there, willing to help you regarding sa plano mo na yan. And they are willing to help you. So, punta tayo dun sa side ng person na kakonect mo. Pagdating sa love for the sign of Libra. Two of Swords is here. So, ito nagpapakita. Ito as a person who, it could be dealing with someone na may isa pang kakonect. Like, Two of Swords is like a decision or two people na kakonect niya. So, pwede may isa pa siyang kakonect. And the Ace of Wands is here. So, the Six of Cups, nagpapakita ito sa akin as like wishful thinking, pag-iisip sa'yo. And the Ace of Wands is like passion for you. Tell me about the other person na kakonect ng person na ito. May plano sila. Okay. Whoever this person na kakonect niya, may plano sila. It's just that may plano sila maybe regarding a child or regarding the son is like a child. Pero kung wala silang anak or walang child na involved, maybe a vacation or something na makakapagpasaya sa kanila, like sa connection nila or what. Pero yung iba, ito something to do with a child. Seven of Swords, and pwedeng ito yung nagiging reason kung ba't umiiwas, umiilag, lumalayo ang person ito sa'yo. Pero naalala ka nitong person na to, like hindi ka pwedeng basta mawala sa isip niya. Emotion ninyo, emotion mo sa person na kakonect mo ito. Kakonect mo na ito. 8 of Swords is here. You are being restricted or ikaw ito na nare-restrict mo ang sarili mo, but the Temperance is here. Nandiyan ka pa rin waiting for this person. Pero ngayon, mas malinaw na sa'yo what's real and what's not real. Alam mo yun, parang I don't know, it feels like ikaw ito na parang either binlock ka or you are being restricted sa pakikipag-connect dito sa person na to. Or ikaw ito na hindi na masyadong gumagawa ng movement. Hindi ka na gumagawa ng movement pagdating sa kanya. But you're still waiting. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, guys, huwag mo kunin yung message. This is not your reading. Huwag natin i-feel it. Okay, nararamdaman niya para sa'yo sa 3 of Pentacles. This person is focused on money. 3 of Pentacles. Pero sabi ko nga, naiisip ka niya eh. Like, may mga ginagawa siya, may kinalaman sa pera, career, etc. Pero naiisip ka ng taong ito. And the King of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Napipilitan siya eh. Napipilitan siya. I feel like someone is nagmamando sa kanya about sa mga ginagawa niya na pwede may kinalaman sa pera. The Two of Wands and the Sun. What's with this? Ace of Swords is here. So this person is actually thinking about reconciliation with ayoko kasi mag-expect yung iba eh. Pero meron mga tao dito na ang kakonect nila is naghahangad or gusto pa rin ng reconciliation sa kanila. May pagpaplano. May pagpaplano wala sa taong to na gusto niya makipag-reconcile sa'yo. So, ayoko naman mag-expect yung iba. So, sino itong nagpaplano na bigyan natin ng idea yung iba kung sino itong nagpaplano ng reconciliation or kung ikaw ba ito na yung person mismo nagpaplano na makipag-reconcile sa'yo or gusto niya makipag-reconcile sa'yo. Page of Wands. What's with the Page of Wands? Seven of Swords. Okay. This is weird, pero yung huling pag-uusap ninyo ng person na to is masaya. Tapos bigla na lang nawala or biglang may umiwas sa inyong dalawa, either ikaw or siya. This is your reading. Pero kung yung last usap nyo is full of stress or hindi, toxic or what, this is not your reading. Basta ang energy nito is that this is you, na gusto ng person na makipag-reconcile sa'yo, especially if you are the one na ang connection ninyo natapos siya or nawala ang communication, pero both of you are parang happy naman yung huling usap nyo or wala namang issues or whatsoever. You know what I mean? Wait lang guys. So, punta tayo sa future energy. What will be the future for you for the sign of Libra? So, yung iba wag mag-expect guys ha. Sa talagang ito, guide lang naman itong aking binibigay sa inyo. You do have here the Judgment. Okay, what's with the Judgment? 8 of Cups. The universe is giving something to you in the future. May binibigay sa iyo ang universe in the near future. It could be new love, new connections. Wait lang guys, nalaglag. Ayan, so the world is here. Ito yung nalaglag na card. So this is the world. This is the universe, no? May mga binibigay na bago sa iyo. And ano tong mga binibigay na to? You have to move on. The Six of Swords is here. The universe is telling you move on. Move on. Kahit pa sinabi sa'yo dito na, oh, may babalik sa'yo or etc. May itong taong to nagpaplano. So, wag ka mag-expect. Wag ka mag-expect. The universe is telling you with the Emperor that you should build your own empire. Ano pa yung mabubuo mo sa sarili mo? Do not expect sa person na to. Kasi, Ace of Cups, there's a new love coming. Yung iba sa inyo, this could be coming from the past. Yun nga, the past person is planning something, pero wait lang, parang ganon. This could be a new love or a new person technically. Pwedeng kung hindi si past person mo na gustong nagpaplano siya, gusto niya maging masaya, gusto niya magbakasyon, gusto niya makita ka. This could be a new person. Kasi the death is here, death and rebirth. So rebirth, from the word itself, it could be something na namatay na nawala and then it will resurface in your life. And then, pero, sabi ko nga, huwag ka mag-expect. Diba? Just build your own empire. The emperor is here. Just love yourself. Diba? The universe is telling you na, oo, may dadating sa buhay mo. Kung ano man yung mga nag-end na wala sa buhay mo, just accept it as it is. You know? Just ano yan? Accept. Acceptance lang is the key. Ten of Pentacles is here and the Justice, this is Libra energy. Money is good. Money is good, definitely. But the Three of Swords, huwag ka mag-focus sa emotions mo, you know. Just focus on your money. Kasi pag nag-focus ka sa pera mo, mas mag-grow yung pera mo. Sa ngayon, love is not, you know, kumbaga yung iba sa inyo, hindi lahat. I'm not talking to, you know, all of you guys. Just those Libra na nakaka-relate sa part na to. Especially if you are broken-hearted right now, hindi ka okay. Huwag ka mag-focus sa emotions mo. You focus on good stuff na meron sa'yo. Huwag kang mag-focus sa negativity, mag-focus ka sa positivity. Okay? Lahat tayo dumadaan sa ganyan. Problema, sakit sa puso, etc. Yung lungkot sa puso, diba? Dumadaan tayo sa ganyan. It's normal. But this is, you know, normal siya, pero ito yung way para mas mag-grow ka palalo into a better person. And, you know, once na nakuha mo na yung mga dapat mong matutunan doon sa sitwasyon na yon, sa taong iyon, just let go, di ba? If it will come back, it will come back to you. Kung lalo na sa iba na nag-expect ng people from the past. Kung babalik, pero wag kang maghintay. Wag kang mag-expect. Just love yourself and i-continue mo yung growth mo and hayaan mo lang sa universe ang kusang magdala ng mga bagay na tama or dapat talaga para sa'yo. I love you all guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.